much is the volume of this container, all will decide the quality of the sound or properties of the sound. Let me search there. This is a very interesting toy, but I am not able to get I got it. Actually, this toy, you will see there are cups here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cups. And if I put a marble in this cup, it will tilt, and ultimately that marble will come on in this bottom base. You just see, it doesn't go out. And again, there is a science behind that. You just see carefully. I am putting marble. Why it is not going out from the cup? Because if you see the support which is given to this cup, which is just above the center of mass, the mass below this support is little bit more. But when I drop the marble here, the mass of the top portion becomes more, so it gets unbalanced. And when it becomes unbalanced, it will the mechanical arrangement is such that it can go only this side, it cannot go opposite side. So when it goes this side, ultimately that marble goes in another container or another cup. Again, it has a freedom only to go this side, not this side. So it will go in another container. Same thing repeats, and ultimately it goes in the bottom cup. It is why it goes down? It is because of gravity, and when center of mass gets disturbed, it gets tilted and it goes to the next cup. So all this time, you see, there is no toy which doesn't have any science. We have to develop ourselves the habit of extracting science in whatever the toy you are giving. As I told in the beginning, the toys are made up of different materials. It could be a simple cloth, it could be a simple, even you might have seen that there are some people who make toys of mud, clay, paper, cardboard. And there is a famous story. With that story, I will try to summarize today. There was a person who was having a bicycle shop, and his financial condition was not very sound. He used to go to the nearby city and get the spares for the bicycle repairing, and he used to run his livelihood. And he was having 2 children, and as every parent wanted to be his children happy. So whenever he used to go to nearby city to get spares for the bicycle shop, he used to buy some toys for them. And one day he bought some toy like this, which had some something like fan, and when you make it like this, it will fly in a air. As I told, his financial condition was not so sound, so for 2 of his sons, he bought only 1 toy. But that single toy inspired them to find the object which will fly. And you know their name, Wright brothers. So if the simple toy can inspire them to find something or innovate something which will fly, nowadays there are different toys which are available, which are remote control toys, and again there are several toys available, electronic toys are available. With this all modern things, you can have a lot of imagination or innovation and develop and imagine, as you are told in the beginning, that you imagine something and try to bring into reality. With this note, I will stop here. Tomorrow, we'll make our own toys. Thank you.
थैंक यू डॉक्टर जयंत जोशी जी। अभी एक सेशन था जिसमें आपने साइंस बिहाइंड टॉयज़ के बारे में जाना है। कल एक सेशन सर का और होने वाला है। वो सेशन होगा कि आप सिंपल साइंस टॉयज़ कैसे बना सकते हैं पढ़ने के लिए, पढ़ाने के लिए। तो बहुत यूजफुल एंड फ्रूटफुल सेशन होने वाला है स्टूडेंट्स के लिए और उनके साथ आए टीचर्स के लिए। अभी लंच की ओर आप जाएंगे और 1 आवर का लंच ब्रेक है और आपको ठीक 2 बजे फिर यहाँ पर आना है। और IIT गांधीनगर से मनीष जैन जी और उनकी टीम यहाँ पर हमारे साथ जुड़ेगी और डिफरेंट टाइप के टॉयज़ आपको देखने को मिलेंगे, गेम्स देखने को मिलेंगे जो वाकई आपके सोचने के तरीके को प्रभावित करेंगे। एक और बात, अभी आपको मालूम होगा कि जैसे ही आप आइनॉक्स के बाहर निकलते हैं, स्क्रीन 3 के बाहर निकलेंगे तो सामने एक एग्जिबिशन लगी हुई है। वहाँ डिफरेंट टाइप के टॉयज़, गेम्स है, आप देख सकते हैं, एंजॉय कर सकते हैं। बट ये सारा कुछ करना है आपको इन बिटवीन द लंच। एंड राइट नाउ आई एम इनवाइटिंग लतिका एन, शी इज़ द इवेंट कोऑर्डिनेटर फॉर फेस्टिवल ऑफ गेम्स एंड टॉयज़, फॉर टोकन ऑफ एप्रिसिएशन टू डॉक्टर जयंत जोशी जी फॉर द सेशन ऑफ साइंस बिहाइंड टॉयज़।